Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak with Control. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alex. We're really happy you're here today.
On this channel, we help you learn real English, speak with confidence, and enjoy daily conversations.
Yes, English you can actually use in real life, not boring textbook English. And today's topic is very important.
Today, we're learning how to use be, been, and being in English.
Oh yes, 3 small words but very confusing for many learners.
Don't worry, we'll explain them slowly with real-life examples and a simple daily conversation.
And by the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident using them.
So, before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Speak with Control, and turn on the bell notification bell.
All right, grab your tea or coffee. Let's start.
Morning. B. Good morning, Alex. You look sleepy today.
Good morning. Yeah, I am tired. I didn't be in bed early last night.
Alex, careful. We don't say didn't be like that.
See? Even I make mistakes.
You should say I wasn't in bed early.
Right, so I was awake until 1 a.m. I am really tired now.
Exactly. We use be, am, is, are, was, were to talk about states, how we feel, who we are, where we are.
For example, I am hungry. You are my teacher today.
And I was busy yesterday.
Mid-morning, being. Sarah, why do you always drink tea in the morning?
Because I like being healthy.
Being. So being talks about actions or behavior, right?
Yes. We use being when something is happening now or describes temporary behavior.
Like, you're being very organized today.
Thank you. And you're being very noisy this morning.
That's true. Too much coffee.
So remember, be equals general state, being equals action or behavior happening now.
Work time. Been. So, Sarah, have you ever worked from home?
Yes, I have been working from home all week.
Oh, so now we're using been.
Exactly. We use been with have, has, had to talk about past experiences or something that started in the past.
Like, I have been to that cafe before.
Perfect. Or, I have been very busy lately.
So been always looks back in time.
Yes, it connects the past to now.
Lunchtime. Comparing all 3. Okay, let me try a full example.
Go ahead.
I am hungry now. I have been hungry since morning. I am being very impatient because of food.
That was excellent.
Wow, learning English makes me hungry.
Let's eat lunch. And yes, you're being dramatic again.
Evening. Real life reflection.
Sarah, today has been a good day.
Yes, it has been productive.
And you were very patient with me today.
Thank you. You are being nicer now.
That's because I have been learning good English.
Night. Ending the day.
It's getting late. We are tired.
Yes, I have been awake since early morning.
Tomorrow, try being more organized.
I promise, I will be better tomorrow.
Key vocabulary and phrases. 1. Be. Am, is, are, was, were, used for states, identity, and conditions. I am happy. 2. Been. Used with have, has, had to talk about the past connected to now. I have been busy. 3. Being. Used for actions or temporary behavior. You're being helpful. 4. State. A condition or situation. He is tired. 5. Behavior. How someone acts. She is being polite. 6. Present perfect. Talks about past connected to now. I've been there. 7. Temporary. Not permanent. He's being quiet today. 8. Experience. Something you did before. I've been to London. 9. Patient. Calm and relaxed. She is patient. 10. Productive. Doing useful work. It has been a productive day. 11. Lately, recently. I've been tired lately. 12. Dramatic, overreacting. You're being dramatic. All right, everyone, let's quickly review.
We learned that be is for states, how you feel or who you are.
Sarah, been is used with have, has, had to talk about the past connected to now.
And being is used for actions or temporary behavior.
We also practiced all three in a real daily routine: morning, work, lunch, evening, and night.
That's how you learn real English, step by step, naturally.
Now it's your turn.
Answer this in the comments. Write one sentence using be, one using been, and one using being.
Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is how you improve.
Thank you so much for watching Speak with Control.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.
In our next videos, we'll learn things like present perfect versus past simple, daily English for work and travel, and common English mistakes.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and stay confident.
See you in the next video.
Together, bye!